Have you ever been to the source of a waterfall?
The water's so turquoise too at the ends. Crazy how they balance it like that, like 100 feet up in the air. That's like 4 feet deep. There used to be steps here. Look, there were steps. You probably could have walked all the way down and crossed it. Starting at this level, like it's an opening, but not above. But it starts right there. And even the waterfalls are like the same size going down. This is insane. Not normal, look. There's no water here again. No water coming down. All of a sudden water comes down here. Like look, not even there. Not even, why isn't there water coming over there then? Where's the water over there? There's no water. On the top, on the side, only in this one spot. You can see it from there. How it starts from only the same level. Up close. It's coming from behind this stone. What the fuck is behind this stone that's coming out like that? There's the same thing there. It's the same pace. It's all the same pace of water, the same flow.
Because it's from the same source.
Fast. Hey, really, where's it coming from? Coming from the top. Like there's nothing coming on top. See, there's nothing over there, but only over here. That's so weird. How could this just happen from wind and water erosion, which is insane. You can see it kind of looks like blocks over there. Usually these things look like different mini stones that are put together. I don't want no Jenga shit happening right now. I played Jenga enough times. You can see more of the bricks over here. Oh, it looks like this. It's made out of blocks. On a platform. So this thing, it's on a platform there. And it comes up. It looks like that.
From this angle, it looks like
crazy.
a sphinx or a snake.
Literally all blocks, it seems like. Like, where does this spring come from? There's no water dripping down on top of it. Yeah, in fact, there's a huge monument right on top of it. Like, what? And it's a constant pace, like before. And there's nothing right here. There's nothing right there. It's like a pipe system that brings it over here. See, there's one over there. Just walking along waterfalls on waterfalls. And it's just flat stone over here. Yeah, there's like 5-6 waterfalls. And it's spaced out perfectly. One here, and then about 10 meters down there, and 10 meters down again there. It's crazy. And you can see the canal right here. It's like shaping the waterway. The wall's right there. And all the water is directed there. From here. That's crazy. You can even see the stone work that way. All these waterfalls. And then these waterfalls fill here. And where does it go? To the lake. It literally drips down all the way to the lake. So it's filling up this lake.
We then looked for where the bottom waterfall started.
You see, it's fed from here. So it comes out there, the waterfall. And other pathways here and over there feed into those waterfalls. But why does it sound like it's coming from here? We could hear like a water reservoir. It sounds like a water reservoir here. So right where the Devil's Monument is, right below it, water reservoirs. There's no water here, so there must be some type of underground network to push the water down all the way past the Devil's Monument, downhill to the waterfalls.